It is a special day for Muslims across the Federal Capital Territory, and it is the biggest Sallah celebration for Muslim faithfuls across the country, where friends and families are in felicitation. This is Mpape, a suburb in the Federal Capital Territory.
We pray for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala as these days that we celebrate this our Sallah, we celebrate it successfully, and when you look, both Christian and Muslim, we are together with them for this celebration. And we see tell to our leaders that they should follow the followers, they should follow us as much as possible, so that any guidance that we will tell them, make sure that they follow us at the right path of to remove all those kind of people that.
I am here to celebrate my brother Zana, to celebrate with him Eid-El-Kabir.
I came to celebrate with our daddy, to wish him Barakat de Sallah.
This is Kabiru Muhammad Dorandaji. He is the incoming Hausa leader in the community. We pray for peace and unity in the country, and we believe that in this community, Mpape, that we will do our best as we have been living with the indigents here peacefully, and there is nothing that we have done that have caused rancor or any form of friction. But we know that this government would be able to take us to the place where we know that there will be success in this country. The acting district head of Mpape was also not left behind, as people gather in his palace for celebration.
I hope that God will lead us to next year and do it peacefully.
As the friendship and visitations continue, prayers for the unity and progress of the country.
We are praying for the country. May God Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to keep us alive in a good situation, good condition.
We thank God. Since yesterday, we started celebrating peacefully. We don't have any complaint.
His Sallah is okay. Since there is life, there is hope.
Gabriel Zakari, ITV News.